Investor here, bringing you another independent analysis. This time we're taking a look at Facebook. This is a one-day chart, each of these candles representing a one-day period. So we're going back quite a distance here. However, for a stock like Facebook, it really doesn't change too much intraday. So I would like to look at a wider range of candles, which is why each of these is a one-day candle, so we can get a little bit of a wider view at what the price has done over a longer period of time. So let's start with the candle itself, the last candle that we have here. It's a bearish candle, but it's not the most bearish. As you can see, the price didn't close too low on terms of the wick. There's a little bit of a wick there, but there was a pretty wide candle, and you don't see that too often with Facebook where there's such a wide range of trading. I would have liked to have seen it close a little bit higher up, so it's unfortunate that it didn't, but it's not the most bearish candle around. Now if we take a look at the SAR, we are in a downtrend. And once again, the MACD is bearish, and we are oversold. So this is a bit of a downtrend. However, since we're already oversold, we can start legging up. And I'd like to point out as well where we went oversold here and where we went oversold in the last area. You can see that that is an oversold uptrend, and that is something we like to see. So I am going to make the assumption that within the next 1 to 5 trading days, in other words, this trading week, I think we're going to be pushing up. And I think it might take a day to 3 days to get out of this bearish area on both the MACD and the RSI, and we should start pushing up there. And if we do, I think we're going to definitely retest this 116 resistance. Now if you look here, in the past we had difficulty beating it, and here as well. We were over 116, but ended up closing significantly lower. Over here, same deal. It was over 116, but ended up closing lower significantly. And then here it just kind of touched it and got denied. So I think we're going to see another test for 116 this week. I really can't tell if it'll break it yet or not, though. We need to see a lot of buying power from the bulls, and it's hard when you have a float like Facebook does to really break hard resistance like that. But I do think we'll test it. And within the next 1 to 3 days, we'll see that bullish cross on the MACD, and I think we'll also start to see a parabolic uptrend initiated as well. And with all those indicators in line, we should definitely be testing that 116 area. So that's what I'm going to keep an eye out for going long on Facebook. I'm going to be keeping an eye out for that 116 test, and if it breaks it, I really don't have another resistance line anywhere too close. So should be interesting, especially if it turns to support. We will see. That's my predictions for this week coming with Facebook, and I wish you all the best of luck.